Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Campton Hills, local and long-distance movers near me. While we certainly offer just the basic moving service, we also offer the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. It doesn't matter if you're moving one state over or across the country, our team is ready to help you. We provide movers with plenty of experience, and if you want moving day to go smoothly, hire our long-distance movers today. When you need an Illinois moving company for your local move, we're here to help. Even moving a short distance is a big job. Our team will do all the heavy lifting for you and save you time and energy. If you want to get settled into your new place faster, hire 3 movers. We can complete even large local moves in just one afternoon. There's no need for you to waste your energy and give up so much time when moving. When you're ready to hire a top Campton Hills moving company, call us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Campton Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.